going on, guys? G back with another video. Today we're going to be fixing studs. So these two need to be replaced, but these are on the rear. Now we're at the front. I don't even have to point out which one that needs to be replaced. I'm gonna do it anyways, just one. But it's kind of tedious because I'm gonna have to work up here again in the near future, because as you can tell, rotors are going bad. All right, so I'm trying to debate on which route should I go. So I take this chance to do a big brake kit install, or should I just go with a simple OEM stock setup with the whole thing. Still debating on that. But anyways, you're doing the front, you locate the one that you got to replace, and what you're going to do next, obviously you have the car on jacks or raised up wherever. Now these are the tools that I'm going to be using. I have my 1/2-inch ratchet, I have like a nice little hammer, and this tool here is something I didn't do in the video when I did the rears, but it's definitely a must-have. So this is your stud installer. Basically, when you fit it through the hole here, you're gonna place this here. It'll have a open-ended lug nut. Tack that in there, and then you just, well, obviously the rotor has to be off, and then you just use that. This acts like as a bearing, so it keeps it straight, and it just limits your risk of not seating it properly. Definitely keep things nice and safe. Then obviously you're gonna need your T55 bolt. If you see my previous video on how to install brakes, that's to remove the 4 bolts that keeps the caliper together. And then obviously you're gonna need your stud. You got your stud, and I have an open-ended nut on that as well that I'm going to be using to for the installation. And I don't think I need the bungee cord. This is just to use to hold up the caliper so it doesn't hang on the brake line, but I don't think I'll need it. I think I'll be able to hang it right here, and an impact that's strong enough to remove your lug nuts, that has enough torque. Just a quick reminder that this one and the top one are the same, and the 2 in the center are the same. All right, so these are the same, and you just put those to the side together. And then from there, you just want to pull or push. It separates in 2. And I forgot my own advice. I remember in the brake video I did say to remove this first before touching anything. I completely forgot, because this one could be a pain to grab. But you just get a flat head. It's like a little clamp, and you pry it off of here. Get it here as well. Oh, hold on. There you go. And it comes off. Now to put it back on, it's going to be a pain in the butt. You just gotta have good patience. And put that to the side. Then you're able to just pop off the other half. Set that to the side. Move this. On the back here, you have 2 17 mils that holds up the bracket. Gonna take that off. That one's out, and that bracket's off. And once that bracket is off, you're able to just pull off the rotor. Nice and lovely. Never mind, it's ugly as shit. Alright, so now you grab your purse, and we're gonna try our best to hit it as hard as we can, and as directly as we can. Now before you want to go ahead and put the new stud in there, you want to clean this hole up as much as you can. I'm going to go ahead and use WD-40 and my little wire brush here to like get in there. Now if you don't have these things, you can just simply use some type of degreaser, and then probably like a flat head or something, or a Phillips head, and wrap it with like a rag, and just, you know, get in there and just clean it up. Go ahead and get your nice new shiny stud. Put it back here, okay? And your special tool, we're gonna put that in there like that. Then we're gonna get the open-ended nut, lug nut, to go right here. Put that on. Okay. All right. So now you have it threaded on as much as you could. Now, if you do not have one of these open-ended lug nuts, you can use whatever, like, you know, comes with the car. Mine came with these, but I actually bought these a while ago. You can grab them from like Advance or AutoZone. All right, so now we have this on. I'm gonna get the impact. I'm on the low setting. Let me kick that up a little bit. All right, here you go. Now, take that off. And there you go. It's perfectly seated. And that's pretty much it. You put your rotor back on. Seat that on nicely. Alright, get your bracket. Line that back up to put back on. Alright, so everything's back together, clips on, bolted down. Alright, and putting my spacer back on. And all 5 working studs. That's all done. I'm gonna go ahead and finish these 2, and I got one more on the other side. But I wanted to get this done to show you guys how not so bad it is. So I hope this video helped out. Till next time, peace.